Hello my friends and welcome to this new recipe. Today we will see how to make a delicious vanilla flan that is both simple and quick with only 4 ingredients, the list of which we will immediately discover. Let's go! To start, we will put the milk in your saucepan, then the sugar, the agar-agar. We stir. We add the vanilla stick split in two to release all the aroma. Over medium heat, add the preparation, stirring frequently. From the first signs of boiling, we will count 30 seconds and we withdraw from the fire. We insert the egg yolk immediately, stirring vigorously for at least a minute so that they do not become scrambled eggs but are incorporated perfectly. Then you just have to mold in the pots of your choice. Leave to cool for a good half hour. Then put them in the fridge and wait for about 2 or 3 hours. All that remains is to test this delicious vanilla flan. For my part, I tell you very soon for the next video. Goodbye friends. Au revoir mes amis et à très bientôt.